Another important way we are able to prosper and thrive at Marlin is that we have a very aggressive bonus program where most companies have employees that are blue collar, they punch in, they punch out, and they have very little skin in the game. We're the opposite. We have entrepreneurs in our company. Normally you have one entrepreneur and then you have everybody else that just wants to leave at 5. Our company is unique in that we have everybody engaged because what we do is we have a very aggressive bonus program. We pay every 2 weeks, which is not too long. A lot of companies have, an annual target for a bonus. That's too long. Most people live paycheck to paycheck. They got to pay for their rent. They got to pay the car payment. They got to pay for Timmy's braces. They need a 2 weeks horizon. Okay, that's one benefit of our bonus program. Another one is we have it very micro. So all the guys in the laser cell have to hit a certain target. If they hit their number for their period, they get a big check. I'm talking about like $950 if they hit their number. The assistants get $350. That's a lot of money to a blue-collar worker. And this is very motivating for the employees because when you're there, if you can hit your numbers, you get $950. So we used to have a whole layer of management that would walk around with clipboards and would wag your finger and say you're taking too many bathroom breaks. Okay, you're talking about the Orioles too much, you're talking about the Ravens too much. That was their job. Okay, counting up how many little widgets they made. Now that whole row is gone. That whole row of our management structure doesn't exist. Instead, we're paying these huge bonuses to these people that now have skin in the game. They're mini entrepreneurs. They have a little shop. They're like shopkeepers. They care about their laser. They want to make sure that all the parts coming in and all the parts going out are going out in a timely basis in a good quality way. If they ship a bad quality part, they don't get credit for that this week. So they have real skin in the game. And we treat them like adults. I mean, we're not walking around saying, hey, you went to the bathroom too often. So it's a very productive, useful tool. And we're able to ship faster because of that. And we have employees that are more engaged, more dedicated to the company.
And on average, what percentage of total pay compensation comes in the form of these bonuses for a typical line worker?
So we pay 26 pay periods a year, every 2 weeks. And on average, it's about 14 pay periods a year a bonus is awarded. Some cells do better. They're more aggressive, they're more hungry, they're in the 20 pay period range. Others do less, 8 or 12 a year. So, but in terms of dollar amounts, it turns out to be anywhere between 10 and 50% of what their compensation is. In some periods, if they do extraordinarily well, it could be 100% of their pay.
Okay.
So we have their engagement, we have their focus. And the thing that's wonderful that I didn't realize is everybody thinks I'm the boss. I'm not really the boss. Why? Because when the spouse sees that check, they want to know, are you going to get your bonus this week?